Hi. When you come to an elementary school in the Salt Lake City School District, you'll come to a doorbell at the front doors. That's going to alert the office staff that you would like entrance. They'll ask you what your business is at the school. And at that point, assuming you have appropriate business, you will be allowed in and asked to come immediately to the main office to check in.
Welcome to Edison. How can we help you?
Hi, I'm here about the registrations for my kids.
Okay, just one moment. Go ahead and open the door and come to the office, please. Go ahead and come in, please, come to the office.
Thank you.